Today I'll talk about LU decomposition. So what is LU decomposition? So for that, here I am taking three system of linear equation. So in that three system of linear equation has three variables x1, x2 and x3. So here is three equation. So a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 is equal to b1, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a23 x3 is equal to b2, a31 x1 plus a32 x2 plus a33 x3 is equal to b3. So these three system of linear equation. Now this system of three equation we can write in a matrix form, that is a11 a12 a13 a21 a22 a23 a31 a32 a33, and then this variable x1 x2 x3 and b1 b2 b3 is a constant matrix. So here a1 is nothing, a1 a12 a13 a21 a22 a23 a31 a32 a33, x is the variable and b is the constant matrix or column matrix b1 b2 b3. Now first what we have to do here, we have to decompose a matrix in LU form. What is L and U? L is the lower triangular matrix, U is upper triangular matrix. So we can write lower triangular matrix like in diagonal element all are 1 and L21 L31 L32 and the rest of the elements are 0, and upper triangular matrix U11 U12 U13 U22 U23 U33, and here that U21 U31 and U32 that all other elements are 0. Now ultimately if you multiply lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix, so that will give that A matrix. So now if you multiply, so you will get U11 then U12 U13, then again if you multiply, means if you multiply, that result will give U11 U12 U13, then L21 U11 L21 U12 plus this, so you will get that. So if you multiply lower triangular and upper triangular, you will get this. Okay, so lower triangular matrix is this and upper triangular matrix is this. Now so if you already know that A matrix is nothing but A11 A12 A13 and A21 A22 and A23 and A31 A32 and A33. So now after multiply that lower triangular upper triangular matrix, we got that. So this is nothing but this. So now we can write that A11 is nothing but U11, A12 is nothing but U12, U13 is nothing but U13, U21 is nothing but L21, U11. So now each element corresponding to that A matrix. So that I will get A22 is nothing but A21, U12, U22, L23 is L21, U13, U23, L31 is equal to A31 L31 U1. So you will get that. So means each that A matrix the element is corresponding to the multiplication of LU. So you will get that. Now so if I solve this, so these many equation we will get. So 1 2 3 4 6, so this equation we will get, and from that we can easily calculate that lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. Now after getting upper triangular and lower triangular matrix, so we have to do some forward substitution. So like LZ is equal to B, so here Z is a variable Z1 Z2 Z3. So if we do that LZ is equal to B, from here we'll get Z1 Z2 and Z3. Now after getting Z1 Z2 Z3, so we will put, so that is backward not forward, backward. So we'll again put that ux is equal to z. So from that we'll get variable x1 x2 x3, so that we'll get. Now here I'll show you how to apply LU decomposition to solve linear system of equation. Now here is the 3 by 3 linear system of equation. Now I'm going to solve the three variable. So here 3x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 is equal to 10, 2x1 plus 3x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 14, x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 is equal to again 14. So this is the three system of linear equation. So now we can write in matrix form 3 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 3, this variable 10 14 14. So A matrix here is 3 2 1 2 3 2 and 1 2 3, and X matrix So x variable is x1, x2, x3, and b matrix or constant matrix is 10, 14, 14. Now first job is we have to find lower and upper triangular matrix. So how do you do that? So we know that A is nothing but LU, L into U. So we are taking the lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. So that will give that A. So that multiplication is nothing but that element. So 3 to 1. So 3 to 1, and then 2 3 2, 2 3 2, and then 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So now 3 corresponding to this element u1, 2 corresponding to this element, 1 corresponding to this element, 2 corresponding to this element. Okay, the 3 corresponding to this element, 2 corresponding to this element, 1 corresponding to this element, 2 corresponding to this element, and 3 corresponding to this element. Now and we will get that equation, and then we will solve and we will get this L21, L31, all this that element. Now here, so now u11 is nothing but a11, so that is 3, that will get, and then a12 is nothing but 2, so that is u12. So we put all this. Okay, so now these many equations are there. So here we will know u11, u12, u13. Now if you substitute u11 here, so we will get l21. So now u11, u12, u13 we know. Now from this equation we'll get L21. So L21 2 by 3. So from this equation we'll get that U22. From this equation we'll get U23. From this equation we'll get U31. So we will get each and every element of lower triangular and upper triangular matrix. So now if we put in that all this element upper and lower triangular matrix, so lower triangular matrix become 1, 2 by 3, 1 by 3. 1 means that L11 we got L11 is actually 1. Okay, so that is 1. Okay, and this all 1, so L21 will get that L21 here 2 by 3. So here we got the lower triangular matrix. Similarly we will get upper triangular matrix. Now after getting L and U, so we can do that. So LZ is equal to B, so we have to find out Z1, Z2, Z3. So B matrix is 10, 14 and 14. So if we do that, and if we do that forward substitution, so Z1 will be 10, so Z2 will be here, that 14 minus 2 by 3 into 10 will get, and Z3 will get that. Now after getting Z1, Z2, Z3, so we will use that that upper triangular matrix, and we have to do that backward substitution. So now this is U, that upper triangular matrix, and this is variable, and this is Z. Now if we do that back substitution, so we'll get the value. So here x3 is 3, x2 is 2, and x1 is equal to 1. So that way we can solve system of linear equation by using LU decomposition. So that's it. Thank you.